Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. Blah. Still eating these, SpongeBob. Local.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 2.
L123? Think it's ID? I put question marks. The water contain, or I think the common one. And these two have trucks. Nice. Can't tell if Dodge Ram or not, or Ford, or I don't know which one they are. Man. I'm not too sure how much longer I'm going to wait or I'm going to stay. I do know I ordered the wines on the way. Alright, L123? Question mark. You guys look good.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 212. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 212. End of transmission.